Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guaranty RV. I got a used 2018 Forest River. It's a Boost, so 29 QBS is the model number. The XLR Boost they call it. So come on in here, let's take a peek. Walk into the kitchen area here. You got the U-shaped booth, so it gives you a little some more bedding right there. Norcold refrigerator, freezer. Storage above us, air conditioning above us. Here's your oven, or you got microwave, your 3-burner, no oven. They're trying to keep weight for this cargo area. Storage, lots of storage. You got your big sink right there. So pretty good counter space. More storage. You got a walk around bed in here. You got entry to both sides. So that gives you the access. You got storage underneath the bed, lifts up. And then you got storage on both sides, cabinets, little spot for here, little machine. You got plug-ins right there. More storage above us, LEDs. It's TV also, if you want to get a TV, there's a little bracket that you can put on here. So this is a garage model. So pretty cool. So the bedroom, or the second bedroom is in the back. You got your bathroom right here. Comes in, we got a big shower. Vanity, sink, you know, the big shower crossways. Nice big toilet there facing lots of room. In the back here, you got your double beds. Actually, this makes into a couch when this come down to side chairs for couches. So this also flips down to the side if you need the height for a razor or something. Looks like I can get plenty of room for a razor in here. Like I said, this is used, so somebody put some carpet on the floor. Back door access. More LED lights. You got a window here that black out if you want to, but there gives you a lot of light in here. You got ventilation also, both sides cross ventilation. So a lot of people like a garage model. So cool. Let's go outside and take a peek out there. Got your stereo system right here with your TV here. More cabinets for DVDs or storage right there. You got your great big grab handle going out with the new step that's solid step, folds up into the door. So this is metal sided, aluminum siding. You got outdoor speakers, spot for TV here. You got plug-ins, cable, power awning with LED strip underneath. And then here's the back access to the door going into that back garage area. Got manual crank downs. Here's your ramp door in the back here. It's pre-wired for backup camera. So this just folds down, you know, so you can load your toys in. On this side, you got your fuel station here. Fuel station, you got your gas gauges right there. Power cord access right there. The plumbing right below us. This is your slide out right there. Here's your built-in generator. 4,000 watt awning, fully enclosed, exhaust right there. So you got your outdoor shower right here, your water controls, flush. Here's where you put water in for fresh water. We put 2 batteries on for you. It's got the power tongue jack, the bigger tanks. So if you're looking for a nice used one, toy hauler with a garage, come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guaranty RV.